Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Mio, and I'm 16 years old. My name is Mio, and I'm 16 I'm a high school student living alone in Osaka. Today, I want to share my peaceful daily routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can repeat after me. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. First, I open the window and feel the fresh air. The morning in Osaka is so calm and beautiful. I make my bed neatly every day. Then I wash my face. Then I brush my teeth. Now it's time to cook breakfasts. Today I'm making Tamagoyaki and miso soup. I love cooking in the quiet morning. The smell of cooking rice makes me happy. After breakfast, I put on my school uniform. I check my bag and leave home around 7:40. Walking to school is one of my favorite parts of the day. The cherry blossoms are so pretty on the way. School starts at 8:30. At lunchtime, I eat the bento I made last night. After school, I walk home slowly. When I get home, I change into comfy clothes first. Then I start cooking dinner. Today, I'm making Oyakodon. It's warm and delicious. I enjoy cutting vegetables and stirring the pot. Cooking always helps me relax after school. The sound of rice cooking is so comforting. After dinner, I wash the dishes quickly. I feel happy when my kitchen is clean and tidy. Before bed, I take a warm bath. Then I do skincare. I write in my journal for a few minutes. Today was a gentle and happy day. Thank you so much for watching my routine. See you in the next video. Stay cozy.